How's it going, everyone? Sid here. So this video that you're watching right now is actually a part of my mini course titled WordPress for Beginners, and this course was only available on Tegral's website, but now I decided, you know what, let's just release it over to YouTube, because why not? Let everyone watch it, right? So I have created a YouTube playlist with every single video of this course. First link down in the description below, go check it out. So the idea behind this course was to guide complete beginners who know nothing about WordPress, help them create their first ever website using WordPress. So yeah, happy learning.
Alright, so now I guess let's get started with our theme installation. We're going to be installing the Zakra theme within our WordPress site. And after that, we'll just get directly into designing our website. And we'll not be designing everything manually, okay? Even though it is all drag and drop, you don't have to code anything. You don't have to do anything complex. It all really is just drag and drop, move things around. It's really easy. Even then, we're going to simplify it even more because we can. Anyways, this is our WordPress site. Let's go within appearance first, go within themes. And click on this add theme button right here. And within search themes, you can simply search for Zakra, Z-A-K-R-A. And this is the theme. Simply click on install. And once the theme has been installed, activate it. And there it is. Once the theme has been activated, you'll be greeted with this window right here. Means your theme has been installed and it is currently active. So if I were to refresh my home page, you'll see it looks a little bit different now. Let me visit the site. There it is. A few things have changed, like, we have this header now, we have this footer, and we have this sidebar instead of whatever we had before. So now it's looking a little bit better, a little bit more presentable. We still need our page content for home, right? That is something we're going to work on next. But anyways, now let's go ahead and let's import a template that's going to help us design our website better. So upon installing the theme, within appearance, search for the Zakra menu. Simply go over to it, start a template. And in here, it's going to say install theme grill demo importer plugin. Now this plugin basically helps you import different templates. Like right now behind this blurry preview, I'm pretty sure you can see a few different site demos here, right? So you can basically import those and you can start customizing it. So we're simply going to click on install theme grill demo importer plugin. And yes, almost instantly you can view all the different templates that are available. Now from in here, I want to suppose create like a portfolio kind of website. Then I'll simply choose portfolio. There's a few different templates that we can choose from. Now keep in mind, there's like over 145 plus demos, right? You can choose any of them, and the creators of this theme will be adding more demos as well. So don't even worry about it. Go within portfolio, I guess, for now. And I want to use this. I'm pretty sure this one uses Elementor. We're not going to be using this. We'll be using this. This video, I want it to be focused on blocks specifically. So yeah, we're going to be using this demo. Simply click on import. Continue. This right here is the site. You can see, right? So we'll be importing this site and we'll be making changes to it. If you want to create custom sections, I'll show you how to do that as well. So don't even sweat it. So yeah, let's wait for it to be installed. And by the way, when we're importing this demo, Minimal Portfolio 02, it also installs a few different plugins. Now, just like I said before, plugins are basically things that help extend your WordPress functionalities. The plugin there called Everest Forms, it's basically a form creator plugin. The form where you just, fill out your name, email, etc. You give out your information, yeah, that kind of stuff. And block art is basically a page builder. So this right here is a page, and to build this page, you're going to require certain elements, and block art provides those elements. Those are called blocks. We'll talk about it in just a bit. Don't even worry. Template has successfully been imported. You can simply click on live preview here. And now there's one thing we need to fix, and that is I created a home page here. So this page is currently overriding our actual home page, which is supposed to be this one, right? So we're going to have to fix this, which we will. And yeah, this is what our site is looking like currently. Now let's go back. Let's fix whatever I said we need to fix. So since we made a home page before, what's happening currently is we have two home pages in here, right? One is assigned the front page and one is just nothing. So basically what we can do is we can simply quick edit this page right here, and instead of home 2, make it so it's slug as home. You can update it. And you may simply trash this old page because there's nothing there. You can simply trash it. Let's go ahead and let's make this thing our front page. To do that, go within settings, general. Actually, it's within reading. And from in here, simply choose your home page displays a static page and our home page is going to be the new home. Save those changes. So now what's going to happen is, instead of your home page being over at your domainname.com/home, now if I just visit my site within my domainname.com, the home page is going to show up without the /home. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And if you're wondering what's going to happen if I type in like /home, really nothing's going to happen. It's going to go to the home page. Okay. So yeah, this is what our home page is looking like currently. Now, I guess let me just show you how you can edit this page, right? Once you open this page and when you're logged in, you'll see this admin bar, as I said before, and within this admin bar, you'll see the edit page button. There's also another way to edit pages, and that is to go within your pages menu from your WordPress admin dashboard, go within pages, and you can simply edit a page right here, right? Edit. Now this is what our page is looking like currently in the back end. This right here is the page editor. Now there's one thing we need to do first. You can see here, we've got 3 different sections in here, and within this section, we've got our content, right? So we've got columns. So this is a single column. This is another column, and this is the third column where we've got the image of Mr. Michael looking pretty handsome. Anyways, if I click on this block right here, this is a block, right? This is a heading block, and this right here, this text block is a paragraph block, and this should be a paragraph block as well, and this should be an image block, right? Pretty simple. So you can basically click on this plus icon right here, and you can drag different blocks around. So you can drag a section block, you can drag a heading block, paragraph block, wherever it is that you want to add contents, you can do so. There's blocks like buttons block, there's image, spacing if you want to add dead space somewhere, not dead space, right? Spacing, I think dead space is the wrong word, but yeah, I think you guys get the point, right? It helps you add a little bit of white space to add some breathing room between your website elements. You've got many different sections in here, and these sections are provided by the Blockart Blocks plugin. Now, I don't want to go into deep with plugins. Like I said before, they just add extra functionality to your WordPress site. Now, all these blocks are basically an extension of default WordPress blocks. Those are called Gutenberg blocks, right? And yeah, you can see here, we've got basic WordPress blocks. It's these dull little boring blocks that are colored in black, right? So these are the ones, paragraph block, heading block. Yeah, these are the basic WordPress blocks, and they extends it by giving it more options. Like, you've got more styling options, you've got more advanced options in here like pattern, etc. We'll talk about those in a bit. But basically, plugins extend your WordPress functionality. That's all it does, or it adds new functionality as well.